Hello, intellects. Welcome to Insights for You today. Have you ever written your essays or research papers carefully and discovered that you had exceeded your word limit? Do you want to know how to make an essay shorter with apps and tools? Sometimes, you read through your well-written document and could not find any idea or paragraph to delete. If this sounds like your experience, then keep watching this video. There are some excellent online tools to shorten your essays or papers without losing the ideas in your work. Cutting a well-crafted draft to fit a page or word limit is one of the most stressful aspects of academic writing. It is even more complicated when the deadline is just a few hours away. We can shorten a text manually by using simple techniques. You can use techniques like breaking one sentence into two, deleting filler words such as you know, like, and avoiding writing in the passive voice. You can also use essay shorteners or a text compactor. I practically reviewed over 10 essay shorteners and found that while some were excellent, others were terrible and distorted the views in the essay. Meanwhile, you should know that essay shorteners are not summarizing tools. Summarizing tools bring out the key ideas in a paragraph. Text compactors, on the other hand, reduce the length of words by removing redundant words and phrases while maintaining the ideas portrayed in the essay. So, I am not talking about summarizing tools used to summarize long articles and research papers. Suppose you want to find the best summarizing tools to summarize articles. In that case, you can see my video suggested in the description box below. In this video, I will present to you how to shorten text using text compactor or, should I say, essay shorteners. We will also get to practically find out which of the tools shortens texts effectively in terms of grammar correctness. How are we going to determine that? First, we will check the grammar correctness of our sample text on Grammarly before we shorten the text on the top two tools for trimming the text. After that, we will check the results from each text shortener for grammar correctness using Grammarly. We will also review the results of the two text shorteners to determine which tool is best for shortening text. Now, here are the two best tools to shorten text. The first one on my list is Quillbot. Don't we all love Quillbot? Quillbot is known for its paraphrasing abilities. It also has a summarizer, citation generator, co-writer, and plagiarism checker. Do you want to know if the Quillbot plagiarism checker is as good as Turnitin? Kindly check the description box for my video titled, Is Quillbot Plagiarism Checker as Good as Turnitin? Quillbot has 6 paraphrasing modes, and one of them is the shorten mode. If you want to shorten text using Quillbot, enter the text in the designated box and click on the shorten icon. It is done. Now, if you notice from the results, Quillbot doesn't change the idea in your text, nor does it delete some sentences to shorten the text. The word length was initially 929 words. The text has been reduced to 677 words. We will also find out the grammar correctness of shortened text of Quillbot in a short while. Please stay tuned. The second tool to help shorten text is the Overnight Essay Online Text Compactor. Overnight Essay Online Text Compactor is very easy and free to use. The software can be used as many times as you want. It's available online, and you can use it whenever you need a paragraph condensed. It only takes a fraction of a second for the results to appear. By default, the number of sentences in the results is set to 10, but you can adjust it based on what you want. This essay compactor condenses a text to remove weird syntax and confusing vocabulary. The review for this app is encouraging. However, let us shorten our sample text and review the results ourselves. For this app, it is always better to shorten text, paragraph after paragraph. But for this video, I will shorten the sample text all at once. Now, time to find out the grammar correctness of the two tools to shorten text. First, I will run a grammar check with Grammarly on our sample document before we shorten the text. 94%. Okay. Now, I have saved each of the shortened text using the names of the tools as Microsoft documents. I will upload them on Grammarly to see their grammar correctness levels. Will it be better or worse? Let us begin with Online Text Compactor. Grammar correctness for Online Text Compactor is 88%. Next is Quillbot. 84%. These findings imply that we must always edit text manually or with grammar checkers like Grammarly whenever we use artificial intelligence technologies. Meanwhile, links to the 2 online tools to shorten text are in the description box below. Alright, intellects, thanks for watching. Enjoy these free text compactors to reduce word counts but use them wisely. See you in my next video. Bye.